Hey, how's it going, everyone? Alaric Walters here from the Prosperity Avenger channel. And today you probably landed on this video because you were looking for free surveys for cash. And what I'm going to do today is just briefly go over some of the best surveys for money sources that I know of online. Survey sources that have been online for quite some time. Survey sources that have a proven track record to provide legitimate, valid paid surveys to the end user, as well as a proven track record to actually pay those end users in real cash for supplying, taking their valuable time out to provide their opinions for paid surveys. Now, you shouldn't have to pay just to get paid for giving your opinions, should you? Now, what do I mean by this? Many of these online paid survey providers charge unnecessary fees for their so-called survey secrets or insider resources, or even make ridiculous claims about how much you can earn. Now, I mean, it's no wonder that, they call some of these survey providers, call them paid online surveys because they want you to pay for the online surveys. And I think it's ridiculous. You shouldn't have to pay 30, 50, 60, sometimes 90 bucks to get so-called insider resources or survey secrets so you can get paid to take surveys. I mean, that's just insane if you ask me. And, making ridiculous claims about making hundreds of thousands of dollars online within a month. Take it from me, I've had experience with paid surveys for quite a few years. Realistically, on a good week for me, I've made about $80 to about $125 in a week taking paid survey. It's good for supplemental income. And it varies and it differs from one person to another depending on how much time you take to dedicate to taking paid surveys, or what type of paid surveys that you take. But I mean, just be realistic. I've made $1,000 in a month taking paid surveys. It may be more, it may be less. Like I said, it just depends. But I just want to be transparent and give you a realistic insight on what to expect with paid surveys. Now, also, many of these paid survey providers don't even pay you in cash, but in points and rewards instead. Now, if you're anything like me, you want cash, okay? Points and rewards are cool if you're into that kind of thing, but I'm not looking for an 8-piece pot and pan set. I'm not looking for a 20-piece cutlery set or a microwave oven or a Sony Walkman from the 1990s. That if you're like me, you got bills to pay, you got a family to take care of. Pots and pans, cutlery sets, points and rewards are not going to pay the bills, okay? But I just want to make you aware of that. Now, here's 2 paid survey sources I recommend that are free to join and provides real surveys that you will get paid for just for taking a few minutes of your time and giving your valuable opinions. Now, this is one of the first ones. It's one of the more popular paid online sources on the internet. And, they do have a rewards program, but the majority of the surveys are paid or cash surveys. Now, you can see there's been 4 million plus members that have joined this survey site, and as you can see, it's getting a pretty good buzz off of Facebook as well, with almost 87,000 people who like it. Now, it's free to join. That's what's really important, and you can log in with Facebook and start. You can just insert your email below to start and click the button and you're ready to go. There's no request for a credit card of any type, and like I said, it's free to join. And you can actually get access to the survey site. You can see the URL here is truepaidsurvey.xyz. And here's another one of the other legitimate paid survey sites that I found as well. And again, as you can see, they're not asking for any credit card information here. It's just simple basic information. You click the join for free button and you're good to go. And again, you can access either one of these sites by hitting actually going to the URL truepaidsurvey.xyz. So if you've been searching for free surveys for cash, click the link below in the description box below this video to get access to the best survey for money sources online. But wait, before you go, if you visit and join one of the survey sites I mentioned in this video today, you'll receive a $5 sign-up bonus just for joining for free. Now, how cool is that? You join a paid survey site for free, you get a $5 bonus up front. I mean, that's pretty cool. And on top of that, you get access to the paid surveys that you were looking for. Now, if you got value from this video, please hit the like button, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what your experience have been with paid surveys. Let me know if you recommend any other paid survey sites that are legitimate, as well as any experiences, good or bad, that you've had in the past with paid surveys. I definitely like to hear about that. And again, if you're looking for paid survey sites that are free to join online, click the link below in the description box below this video. You'll go straight to the website, sign up for free, get your $5 bonus. Again, my name is Alaric Walters. I appreciate you watching this video. If you'd like to get more tips and information like you've seen in this video, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.